We'll see the next question. This question also is taken from IBPS PO Mains 2016. So here is an expression given where x equal to a plus b the whole square minus a square minus b square by a plus b whole square minus a minus b the whole square. So two quantities are given where x value has to be found and quantity 2 is 1.5. We have the range for this values a and b. They have given for all integer value of a and b, which implies a and b are integers, no decimals or fractions. So a is lesser than 1 but greater than 0, which means no negative value for a, and b is lesser than 0 means which b will take negative values. First we will solve for x. So what is the expression given? X is a plus b the whole square. So quantity 1 is x value. So instead of applying values for a and b, just we'll simplify the given expression. X is a plus b the whole square minus a square minus b square by a plus b the whole square minus a minus b the whole square. Now expand this a plus b the whole square. A square plus b square plus 2ab minus a square minus b square, a square plus b square plus 2ab minus a square plus b square minus 2ab. So I have used this expansion for a plus b the whole square and a minus b the whole square. So this is a square plus b square so all these terms gets cancelled. Numerator is 2ab and for denominator a square plus b square plus 2ab, and removing the brackets it is minus a square minus b square plus 2ab. So in this also a square b square gets cancelled. So 2ab by 4ab. So when cancelling the common factors we have half, which is 0.5. And no need to consider this range for a and b because x is independent of a and b. And what is x value? X value is 0.5 and that is quantity 1. Quantity 1 is 0.5 and what is quantity 2? It is given as 1.5. Quantity 1 x is 0.5, quantity 2 is 1.5, where we go for the conclusion that quantity 2 is greater than quantity 1 or quantity 1 is lesser than quantity 2. Answer is option B. Answer is quantity 1 is less than quantity 2. Quantity 1 is 0.5 which is less than 1.5. In this question, so we have just simplified these identities and we have got this x value. But when you see the question, they have given the range for a and b, integer values and all. But for us, we don't need the value of a and b. So just to confuse us, they have given all this. So just look into the question and see how easily you can arrive at the answer and proceed. So in this question, as a and b is not needed, no need to consider that. So don't get panicked by seeing all this. So just understand and then proceed. We'll see the next question. The question is, total distance between a and b is d kilometers. The distance travelled along the stream is 3 times of the total distance and the distance travelled against the stream is 2 times of the total distance. The time taken to cover the distance along the stream is 10% less than the time taken to cover the distance against the stream. If a person covers a distance of 21 km in 1 hour 24 minutes along the stream, then find the speed of current. So this question is taken from IBPS PO Mains 2016. So friend, so when you look here, we have 2 parts in this question. So So first part is the explanatory part, and the actual question starts from the point, from the sentence, if a person covers. So first we'll understand what is given, and then we'll solve the question and get the answer. So what is given? Total distance between A and B is d kilometers. So we'll take the stream. In the stream, 2 points, A and B. So I have drawn a inclined line to show that the river flows in this direction. What is distance between A and B? It is given as d kilometers. So a person is going along the stream. Along the stream is towards the current of the river, or downstream. So what is the distance covered downstream? It is 3 times the total distance. So from A to B we have taken d. So along the stream or downstream he is going 3 times the distance, and upstream he is going 2 times the total distance. So for upstream it is 2 times of d. And now what is the ratio of distance covered upstream and downstream? That is 2:3. And now in this explanatory part they have given this time detail also. So what is this time taken? Along the stream, time taken is 10% less than time taken to go upstream. So why it is 10% less? For downstream speed will be more, so it will take less time to go downstream, and for the same person to go upstream speed will be less, so for downstream speed will be more, so time will be less. For upstream speed will be less, time taken will be more. And what is the details for this time taken? For downstream and upstream, for downstream it is 10% the time taken, then he is taking for upstream 10% less than the time taken. For upstream if we take it as 100, for downstream it is 10% less, so we'll subtract 10 from 100, it is 90. So if time taken upstream is 10 parts, time taken downstream will be 9 parts. So time taken for downstream will be less because speed is more. And in this explanatory part they have given the ratio of distance traveled upstream and downstream, that is 2:3, and time taken to travel upstream and downstream is 10:9. And now we'll come to the real working. So what is the question given? A person covers 21 kilometers in 1 hour 24 minutes along the stream. Along the stream is downstream. How to calculate downstream speed? So along the stream it will be sum of speed of the person in still water. We'll take B as speed of the person in still water and R as speed of the stream. So for downstream, both the speeds added up will be downstream speed. Downstream speed is distance by time taken. What is the distance given? 21. And what is time taken? 1 hour 24 minutes. One hour 24 minutes. So 24 minutes by 60. I have converted this minutes also to seconds. So 12 to 12/5, which is equal to 7/5. So 5 into 1 plus 2, 7/5. So time taken is 7/5 hours. Distance is 21. Time taken is 7/5. Send to the numerator. So what is this downstream speed? Sum of speed of the person on the stream, it is 15. Now to calculate speed of the stream, we need this upstream speed also. For upstream, speed is speed of the person in still water minus the stream. And what will be the distance covered upstream? For downstream, if it is 21 kilometer, 3 parts 21, 2 parts will be 14. We have multiplied this with 7. 3 into 7, 21. Multiply it with 7. 2 into 7, 14. So upstream distance travelled is 14. And what will be time taken to cover upstream? 9 parts is got as 7/5. We need 10 parts. So divide this 7/5 by 9. So 9 parts is 7/5. When you divide it with 9, we'll get 1 part. Multiplying it with 10, we get 10 parts. That is time taken for upstream. So distance covered upstream is 14. Time taken for upstream is 7 into 10. This 5 and 9 I'll send to the numerator. So 7 twice, 2 into 5, 10, cancelled. Upstream speed is 9. Downstream speed 15, upstream speed is 9. How to calculate speed of the river, that is speed of the stream? Subtract both. So B plus R is 15. Now solving this, we'll subtract so that B gets cancelled. 2R is 15 minus 9, 6, where speed of this stream is 3 km per hour. So now this question seems to be big, but this has 2 parts, where in this first part we have all the explanatory details given, that is ratio of distance covered upstream downstream, that is 2:3, and time taken for upstream downstream 10:9, and actual data given, distance 21, time taken 1 hour 24 minutes, which is nothing but 7/5 hours. So B plus R is 15, upstream's downstream speed is 15. To calculate upstream, 2 parts of the distance, and for 7/5 is 9 parts, divide by 9, multiplying it with 10, we get upstream time, and upstream speed is 9. So to find speed of the river, B plus R, B minus R solving, we get river speed is 3 km per hour. And our answer is option B, 3 km per hour.